My name is Tyler Mello and I've been with Couto Construction for 5 years now. What I think sets Couto Construction apart from other companies is simply the process that we provide and obviously the values that we go by. We are a family-owned business and we treat our customers like family because that's how it should be at the end of the day. What I enjoy most about helping homeowners with their projects where they've been wanting their house to look a certain way for a little bit, really creating the dream and building the dream with the customer, giving them those cosmetics they want and what they really deserve. And working for a company like Couto Construction and the values that we provide with always the customer in mind at the end of the day and making sure that their process, although it can be a stressful process, just making it as stress-free as possible. Outside of work, I just got a new dog, so he takes up a lot of my time now. Spending time with family is also very important for me. I like spending time with my family, my girlfriend's family. So for me personally, what defines a successful project is making sure that you're put first. There's a lot of moving parts in projects like this. We want to make sure that communication with you throughout the whole process, whether it's the first meeting with me, talking over what you want while we're there doing the job, and once the job is complete, communication is very important. So we want to make sure that we have experts at each role to make sure that doesn't matter what stage we're at in the project, you guys are taken care of, and once the job is complete, you guys are satisfied, there's a big smile on your face. So once again, my name is Tyler Mello and I look forward to seeing you.